Yes. Today we have a unboxing. A little something special. Got dope jacket. Shout out to Hudson Bay. They were the only store that had it. The Polo store didn't have this. Holt Renfrew didn't have it. Which is like Saks Fifth out here. I didn't check the Saks Fifth. They might have had it. But yeah. This one right here. A nice special piece. A lot of folks have a loved one that have beat cancer or passed away from cancer or going through it. It's dope that Pink Pony. It's dope that Ralph Lauren gives you a chance to donate to that cause and be fresh at the same time. As you can see, got that nice embroidery right across the chest. Nice embroidery on the pockets, as you can see. You got that nice striping on the bottom and the cuffs and the collar. You can see the tag. Real dope. We got no patches on the sleeve. Let's turn it. Actually, let's check out the inside. Dun, 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 dun. Yep. Join us in the fight. See that embroidered pink polo logo right there. Nice little pocket. Nothing on the other side. All right, let's check out the back. Bang. Got the big old polo logo. You can see that pink with the Ralph Lauren on the back. Very, very nice. It's got a light weight to it, but it's kind of it kind of feels like it's got a little bit of filler in there. Yeah, this is like a fall jacket, not a winter jacket, definitely not a winter jacket, but it's not a summertime jacket either. This is like early winter, late summer. Yes. Once again, shout out to everybody that's gone through that cancer fight. I will be back with some more outfits of the day. Some of my favorite pieces on sale. All right. Peace.